Oh, this is my jam. I know I'm gonna put this on repeat. Yes, this is my jam. I don't feel like talking today, y'all, so I need y'all to read my mind, okay? I'm not in the mood to be talking. I don't know what's going on. I just ain't, okay? Ooh, hold on, y'all, hold on. If you got it, it ain't a question. Hey. Invest it. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, y'all be hating on me. Why y'all be hating on me so much? Y'all jealous of my singing skills. I'm the one who helped her write her lyrics. Like, quit hating on me. Anyway, y'all. I read this Instagram post and it was talking about property management. And I just really, really, really want to go over it with you guys and talk about it. I know I like talking about anything that has to do with property management. I love this group too. Talking all trash on here, but okay though, that ain't nothing new. Okay, girl, you mad? I hate that rule because even if I did make 3 times the rent, why would I want a third of my monthly income going to that bullshit? Yeah, I heard that, but that's just the way of the world. You could do damage. I would look at 3,000. Exactly. That's why it's so easy for them to bamboozle us. Oh, it's always gonna be a boo boo the fool. Okay. Oh, you have to go there, but okay though. He straight said boo boo the fool. Shots fired. Okay, shots fired. Stay woke. Gas is high, rent is high, taxes are high. Oh, they probably was on them drugs for doing this. They probably was high on some drugs. I'm not finna play. I'm just not finna play any games. No ma'am Pam. No ma'am Pam. Ooh, y'all cutting up in these comments. Okay, feel like they look at the medium income of a given area and price it to the highest. Yeah, that's what they be doing. Speaking facts right there, baby. That's not what it means though. He quite literally stated what he meant, and for some reason you're still confused where the majority of people understand exactly what the hell he was saying. Okay. I want to pay $500. Okay. If someone raise your rent and it's now more than 1/3 of your income, you're the only one that's getting fucked because now you either have to pick up a different job or you gotta move. Okay, I heard that. Yeah, you're right, girl. Okay. Because the landlord can and will always find someone willing to pay. Okay. There should be no qualifications to live somewhere. Living under a roof is an essential need. Oh, telling me lies, making me cry, wasting my time the whole time. I wish in the hell you would lie to me again. Come on, I triple double dog dare your ass. Lie to me again. I'm telling you. Yeah. I'm gonna chop the shit out your neck. Oops, sorry, y'all. Don't read that. Don't read my mind. Don't read that part of my mind, y'all. Delete, erase, backspace, white out. Don't read that part of my mind. Anyways, see, I'm gonna have to cut her off. That's fine, love. I'm always down for a healthy economic debate. Economic neighborhood rents are absolutely unfathomably higher. True, true. Okay. They get into a rental and they don't make 3 times the rent. Take back affordability. I know that's right. Y'all don't seem to realize how strong numbers are. And getting worse, rental pricing going up on places and landlords aren't even updating their properties, just selling garbage for Gucci rent. I can't deal with y'all. No, ma'am, Pam. Owners or investors, they're looking for a particular group of people. People who make above average financially. In response to some of these comments, one of my favorite shows is Million Dollar Listing, and these people be renting out homes and condos for like $35,000 a month and more, straight getting paid. I definitely do not fit that requirement. Investors and owners, they also like for their prospective residents to have extra cushion financially as reassurance that they'll get their rent paid every month. It's unfortunate for some, but for some people, it's right on point. Prices also depend on the area median income, which is collected through census. I read some comments where people were kind of attacking leasing consultants because of these requirements. Please understand that leasing consultants do not have the responsibility or power of dictating the rental amounts. Even if they were to put in their 2 cents, it will be ignored because they're only hired to carry out a specific job, which is to fill all the vacancies. I get how many people feel though. Looking at requirements like this makes you just want to knock a mother